What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I've got a brand new toy for my car, the Vauxhall Corsa. Yep, this bad boy, right here, this bad boy. If you don't already know what this is, then you're an idiot. If you still don't know, after me calling you an idiot, it is a rear box section on the exhaust. That's going to make my car sound from this to this. Or maybe not boys, but it's going to be a fucking upgrade from this piece of shit I had. Now before we get into the sexy sound, let's talk about how we get this bloody thing in, because it's a pain in the ass. It's not rocket science boys, you know, but it takes a few tools, and you know, if you're not good with tools and you just can't do anything, I suggest you get someone who is good with tools, who can do that sort of stuff. And if you don't have any friends, just grab a hammer, pair of pliers, this screw and some exhaust sealant. And that is all you need to put an exhaust in. Oh, and the exhaust. Now boys, let's take a quick look at the old exhaust. Oh! Looks like something out of a horror movie, blood. I'm genuinely sure it's older than I am. Even though my car is 2017. It just looks so old. I bet it's older than me. But boys, here is the new one. It is so shiny. It's like upgrading from a Nokia Blick, bruh, to a brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max, whatever they are nowadays. Alright boys, so we got future CDB here, and we're just going over the sort of clips we got while I was doing it. This is my old exhaust. As you can see, camera work is on point. And then this is us putting the exhaust on by putting the clamp on. So as you can see there, my dad's putting the clamp on right now. And this is us taking 110 years to lower the car off the stands. That's why it's sped up. And boys, we have got a cheeky little exhaust sound video for the first time. You guys are going to hear it. Here it goes. Right boys, so here is the exhaust. Look at that beast boys, look at that. I mean look, my whole fist fits in it. That's how fucking sick it is. Just gonna show you like underneath the car. So there's the, like I think it's the silencer right there, and then you go further back there, and then you can see where the exhaust ends. Let me just go around the other side of the car. Underneath this side of the car, I don't know if you can see it. So as you can see, that's where the exhaust is, and you can see the amount of sealant we put on there, and you just basically clamp it there. You'll see, you saw in most of the clips, but you just clamp it there. So we put a shit ton of exhaust sealant on there because we don't want it leaking, bruv, you know what I'm saying? All right, boys, now for the best part, it's time for a little drive. So boys, I'm gonna do a cheeky point of view drive so you can see what it sounds like from inside of the car. So let's get the engine on, let's get on the road. Let's turn on the car. Let's put it in ignition so I can just roll down the window so you can hear it when it starts, because you guys haven't even heard it yet. Ignition. Get that window down. Oh my god. Did you hear that? Oh my god, it sounds like I've got a monster truck. Alright, come on, let's hear this. Oh my god. So what I'm just going to do, I'm not going to go fast because this is our private road. But what I want to do is just get the sound of it. Bit of ice there. I'm not going to go too fast on there. What did that sound like, boys? Oh my god, that was crazy. That was crazy, right. Let's turn this bad boy around first, then we'll go again. Let's go. I'm just going first gear to see what it sounds like. Let's go to second. Let's relax the car a little bit. That's crazy. I don't want to waste the petrol, boys, because we're running low. We gotta go out and get some more petrol. I've got to be careful going on this bend, obviously, because it's really hard to know if there's anyone coming. Listen to that. Listen to the sound of that. It's really, let me just put that window more. That's better. Right, let's go. As soon as we're around this bend, we're gonna stay in first, just so we can hear this. We can hear this go, boys. It sounds like I sound like I'm in a fucking Lamborghini. Watch the ice. That is one crazy ass sound, boys. I just put off. Alright, boys, ready? We'll let me slow down a little bit, then we'll put the foot down in first gear. Because it's the best I can really do on these roads. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Little wheel spin there as well, boys. Little wheel spin on the ice, that was crazy. Right, one more. Alright, boys, that's it. That will do for this POV drive. There is going to be more. There is going to be another POV drive soon on a proper roads, but this is just where I live, and I just wanted to go up and down it so I can just show you guys the sound while I'm driving, because it's completely different to when I'm in neutral compared to when I'm driving. It just sounds completely different. I don't know why. I'm not a car expert, but it does. It sounds so much better, as you heard now, when I'm driving. Look, clutch down. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As you can see, I tried to do my mods myself, so I didn't get any mechanic or anything to do this exhaust. Because I just wanted to, I want to like inspire you guys to do up your own car as well. I've been inspired by YouTubers to do up my car. I want to inspire you guys to do your car. So yeah. Anyway guys, as I've said, thank you so much for watching. What we're going to do it soon, maybe the next video or a couple of videos after, we're going to do a longer POV drive with the exhaust. Because obviously this was just going up and down on one road, but we're going to do an actual drive. We're going to do some actual pulls. We're going to do some downshifting in like, and we can hear it. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye guys.